Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to write 语 in cursive Chinese. Now let's get started. First, in standard script, 语 语 means word or language. In cursive, you can write like this. Yu. For example, 语言 means language. 吴语 无语 speechless. 无语 汉语 Chinese language. Chinese language. 母语 母语 native language. Native language. Last one for today. 古语 古语有云 古语 old expression or ancient language. 古语母语语 word language. For example, 语言 language. 吴语 speechless. 汉语 Chinese language. 母语 native language. 古语 old expression. Well, can you make up any other words with a Chinese character 语? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.